Welcome. In this video, we're going to learn DNS flooding using birthday Perl script in Linux. Let's open up terminal, and here I'm changing terminal directory to desktop. Type cd space attack. Let's see the attack directory files and subdirectories. Here you can see that birthday.pl. Here I'm downloading attack.zip file from GitHub Summit attack. I have extracted and saved in desktop. Type perl birthday.pl. Here you can see that basic usage of birthday flooding script. Birthday.pl source IP, destination IP, source underscore port, domain, spoofed IP, number of packets. Let's open up another terminal, type if config. Here you can see that IP address 192.168.0.6, type nmap hackingtude.com. Here you can see that hackingtude.com filtered ports. Type perl birthday.pl 192.168.0.6, 107.180.54.186, 22 SSH port, hackingtude.com 192.168.0.4, send 10,000 packets. Let's open up Wireshark Network Analyzer, select LAN 0 mon interface, click on Start button. Now back to terminal, click on Enter. Here you can see that in Wireshark DNS flooding with different source addresses. So that's it in this video on DNS flooding with birthday Perl script in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.